Want to grow your wealth this year without complicated strategies? In this video, I'll show you three simple steps that anybody can start to build real wealth, even if you are starting from zero. Let's go. I'm Legend, and on this channel, we talk about money, stocks, and real wealth, and how to let your wealth also work for you. If you are really ready to take control over your finances, multiply your wealth, hit that subscribe button now because legends never die. The first step is very simple: save consistently. You don't need a huge amount of money to start. Billionaires didn't start by millions, they started brick by brick daily. Even saving 50 cedis or 100 cedis a week can add up over time. Here is how: automate your savings if possible, cut unnecessary expenses, and make savings a habit. Think of it as a foundation of your wealth. Without this, investing later won't be as effective. Remember, small, consistent actions grow into bigger results. Step 2 is where your money really starts to grow. Invest smartly. There are beginner-friendly options like ICO, local stocks, or ETFs. These platforms let you invest small amounts while your money grows over time. The key is to start small, reinvest profits, and diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one stock or get rich quick schemes. For example, you could start with ICO, which later I'll be doing video about it in my next video. I'll do a whole video talking about how you can invest into the IC liquidity and also how you can use it to buy stocks. Invest a little, watch your money grow over time, and gradually increase your investment as you learn over time. Even small investments can turn into significant wealth through compounding, which I'll also explain compounding in another video because it's also a broad topic on its own, how compound works. The third step is often overlooked. Track your progress and educate yourself. Keep an eye on your portfolio and spending. Ask yourself, what's working, what's not, and how can I improve? Read books, watch tutorials just like you are watching here, follow market trends, and learn from experienced investors. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about knowledge. The more you learn, the smarter your money decisions become. Even spending 10 to 15 minutes a day reading about books and investment can give you massive advantage over time. So to recap, save consistently, invest smartly, and keep learning. Follow these three steps and you'll be building real wealth this year. If you want more tips on investment, stocks, and growing your wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and comment below if you want me to show you the top 3 stocks and ICO strategies to start in the next year, that's 2026. Remember, legends never die, so make your money legendary.